The second question, second part was homework. So if you haven't, then I will do. What do you want? Do you want me to solve, or will you do that? Or you have already done? Come on, answer me fast. हाँ, तुम लोग को कुछ करना ही नहीं है. ठीक है, I will do that. Don't worry. So what is given to us? You are given a comma b belong to real number, and condition was a is positive and b is also non-negative, I should say. Correct? Non-negative. Yeah. And also if a is less than b, prove that root a is less than root b. Correct? This is what you have to prove. Is that clear? Let us start here. Also, let us take two cases. Suppose, or case 1. All the question here will work on case only. Case 1, if I take a equal to 0, correct? Do you think the result is true? If your a equal to 0, that means what should be your b? B must be greater than 0, otherwise b अगर 0 हुआ तो कुछ करना ही नहीं है तुमको. So if b is your greater than 0, what about root b? That is also greater than 0. Do you agree? Yes. But what is 0? A is 0, so can I write it as root b is greater than root 0, that is root a? We are done in the first case. Do you see that? Yes. Case 2, if I take a is non-zero, then if a is non-zero, then what will be your inequality? Where is that? And you are also given as a is less than b. So what can you say? Can I write this a as root of a the whole square and b as root of b the whole square? Can I do that? Perfect, yes. So what next? That is, take that this side, that is root of b the whole square minus root of e the whole square, that is greater than 0. What do you mean by that? Root of b minus root of e multiply by root of b plus root of a is greater than 0. Product of two number is positive. When it is positive? When product of two number, when both are positive. Perfect. Perfect. Do you know something about this guy? Since your a is non-zero and both are positive only, so this value will be positive. So what is the condition for this guy? This should also be positive, because he only told that if product has to be positive, then both must be positive. We know about this. This is positive, so this should also positive. Do you agree? Are we done? It's also simple, isn't it? Yes. And what is the next part? Conversely, you have to assume this and prove your a is less than b. Conversely, but you have to assume root a is less than root b. Then you have to prove a is less than b. Same case 1, क्या लो? What is the case 1? If a is 0, correct? Then same thing, bolo. You are given root b is greater than root a. That means what? That root a तो 0 है. Root b is greater than 0. What do you mean by that? Square किया तो b will be greater than 0. That means what? B is greater than 1. Is that clear? What is case 2? If you take A is non-zero, then yeah, can somebody tell something? A is non-zero and A is positive, B is positive. So can I say that root A is also positive, root B is also positive? Positive square root, yes, because A and B are positive value. So root of A and root of B is positive. What next? Can I say that root A plus root B is also positive? Yes. But in the question you are given with something. You are given root A minus root B, and here you are having root A and let me write and root A plus root B is positive. Correct? Sorry, it won't be 0 because you are excluding that 0. You are not taking is non. You are taking is non-zero. Okay. So can I write this as root B minus root A that is positive and root B plus root A that is positive? Can I say that? Both the term are positive. If I multiply, the multiplication will also be positive. That is root B minus root A multiply with root B plus root A. That is also positive. What is this part? That is B minus A is positive. That means what? B is greater than A. This is what you are supposed to prove. Just check once again quickly. Yes, is that okay? Good. Yeah. Okay, let me quickly do one more thing. If you are having 0 is less than x is less than y, what do you then should I write then? Prove that 0 is less than y inverse is less than x inverse. Can you try this proof? You have to prove this. Can you try this thing? Observe that what is this given. Yes. Proof is quite simple. Start with this. 0 is less than x is less than y. What do you mean by that? That means x is positive and y is also positive. Do you agree? So x inverse will also be positive and y inverse will also be positive. Correct? What do you have to show? You have to show this part. What do you mean by this part? That means to show पॉजिटिव तो हम लोग ने प्रूफ कर लिया. अभी ये पार्ट शो करना है. That means to show y inverse is less than x inverse. क्या करे बोलो anyone? That is quite simple. Yeah, you should say you are given x is less than y, correct, and your x inverse is positive. Can I multiply both the side by x inverse? It is a positive number. Inequality change होएगी क्या? Since it is a positive number, can I multiply it? Yes. So x into x inverse that is less than y into x inverse. Something like that. What is this? 1 is less than y into x inverse. Now since your y inverse is also positive, can I multiply both the side by y inverse? You see? I am using this part here also. Can I multiply it now? So it will be y inverse that is less than Do you see y inverse and y will get cancelled? That is x inverse. Do you agree? And you already know they are greater than this. Done. See, proof was quite easy. Yes. बोलो. ये हाँ इधर से मैं बताता हूँ ठीक है. यू आर गिवन एक्स इज लेस देन वाई. ठीक है. अपने हम लोगों ने इधर ही देखा एक्स इनवर्स इज पॉजिटिव. सो कोई भी पॉजिटिव नंबर को मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर सकता हूँ दोनों साइड, तो इनइक्वालिटी जो है ये चेंज नहीं होगा. Since x inverse is positive, I am multiplying both the side by x inverse. So this is x into x inverse less than y into x inverse. Can I do that? Do you agree with this? हाँ. अगर ये किया तो x into x inverse मतलब क्या 1/x कैंसल हुआ. दिस इज y is less than y into x inverse. What next? Can I same things do with y inverse? Y inverse is also positive. दोनों साइड y inverse से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकता हूँ. इधर मल्टीप्लाई किया तो ये आया. इधर क्या आएगा y इनवर्स इंटू वाई इंटू एक्स इनवर्स. वाई इनवर्स वाई कैंसल. रियल नंबर है ना, दे आर कम्यूटेटिव. कम्यूटेटिव मतलब ए बी सेम एज बी ए. यू अंडरस्टैंड. हम लोग ने प्रॉपर्टी में लिखा था मल्टीप्लिकेशन की प्रॉपर्टी में. सो दिस इज वाई इनवर्स इज लेस देन एक्स. डन. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके नाइस. वन मोर थिंग. प्रूव दैट. Okay, let me change the color. That is an exercise for you. Try this. Prove that if 0 is less than x is less than 1, then 0 is less than x square is less than x is less than 1. This is the first one, and the second one is this. If yeah, if your x is positive, then x square will be greater than x is greater than 1. Do you agree? पहले बात तो एग्री करना चाहिए जो भी हम लोग लिख रहे हैं. डू यू एग्री? टेक अ नंबर विच इज बिटवीन. सो इफ आई टेक एक्स इक्वल टू हाफ, व्हाट डू यू थिंक व्हाट इज एक्स स्क्वायर? 1/4. बड़ा कौन है? 1/2 बड़ा है कि 1/4 बड़ा है? हाफ बड़ा है. करेक्ट है. मतलब ये क्या आएगा? 0 इज लेस देन 1/4 इज लेस देन 1/2 इज लेस देन 1. करेक्ट. मतलब ये इनइक्वालिटी पहला ट्रू है ना. दैट इज 0 इज लेस देन एक्स स्क्वायर इज लेस देन एक्स लेस देन. मतलब अगर नंबर तुम्हारा 0 और 1 के बीच में रहा, स्क्वायर किया, क्यूब किया या कितना भी पावर किया, यू आर गोइंग मच क्लोजर टू 0. डू यू अग्री? पावर 4 किया तो यू आर गोइंग मच क्लोजर टू 0. यस. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू प्रूव. क्यों? ओ सॉरी, ये ग्रेटर देन 1 होना चाहिए. आई एम सॉरी. ये ग्रेटर देन 1. यस. सो इफ इट इज ग्रेटर देन 1, अब अभी ठीक है क्या? यस. कैन यू प्रूव दिस क्विकली? कैन यू ट्राई दैट? फर्स्ट थिंग देखो. इफ 0 इज लेस देन एक्स, कैन आई से दैट 0 इज लेस देन एक्स स्क्वायर? ये पार्ट ठीक है. दैट इज क्वाइट सिंपल. Maybe I think I should give you exercise. Put the answer in the classroom if you want, or I will make a assignment for that. Is that okay? I'll make an assignment. Put the answers. Put your proof. You just try it. Yeah. Okay. Let me define a new term now. New term मतलब new, ये अपने लिए new नहीं है. We already know about that. That is absolute value of a real number. What do you mean by absolute value of real number? Definition पहले देते हैं. Let x belong to a real number, then the function एक फंक्शन है जिसको हम लोग मॉड से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, दैट इज फ्रॉम आर टू आर, गिवन बाय, डिफाइंड बाय mod x is equal to x when x is positive, it is minus x when x is negative. Do you agree? मतलब मॉड में कोई भी वैल्यू पुट किया वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव नंबर ही देगा. डू यू एग्री? इट इज कॉल्ड एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू फंक्शन, एंड दैट मॉड एक्स का जो भी वैल्यू आएगा वो भी रियल नंबर में ही रहेगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ रियल नंबर. दिस मॉड एक्स अगर बात किया ना तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू real number. Is that okay? What is mod of 2? What is mod of minus 2? What is mod of 3? What is mod of 7? Minus 7. What is mod of minus 10? What is mod of 11? Mod of 2 क्या आएगा? What is your 2? Positive number. As per the function का वैल्यू क्या है? mod of x का वैल्यू x when x is positive. मतलब 2 है तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 2 ही आएगा. Do you agree? Yes. पहले बेसिकली तुम लोग डायरेक्ट लिख देते होगे mod 2 equal to 2, but try to see the function. What is this minus 2? What can you say about this minus 2? This is a negative number. मतलब ये कौन से कैटेगरी में आएगा? इसमें कि इसमें? कौन से कैटेगरी में आएगा? माइनस 2 इज द नेगेटिव नंबर ना. सेकेंड कैटेगरी दैट इज दिस गाय. सो जब भी इसमें आए तो आंसर क्या आएगा मॉड एक्स का? माइनस ऑफ माइनस एक्स, दैट इज माइनस ऑफ माइनस 2, दैट इज सेम एज 2. डू यू एग्री? जो कि हम लोग डायरेक्ट लिख देते थे, बट अभी वी आर हैविंग अ प्रॉपर फंक्शन नाउ. मॉड ऑफ 3 पॉजिटिव है तो फर्स्ट कैटेगरी में आंसर 3. माइनस 7 दिस इज नेगेटिव, मतलब कौन से कैटेगरी में? 0 लेस देन 1, दैट इज सेकेंड कैटेगरी. सो आंसर क्या आएगा? माइनस ऑफ माइनस 7, दैट इज 7. सेम हियर, माइनस ऑफ माइनस 10, दैट इज 10. डू यू एग्री? जस्ट चेक करना है अपने को वेदर इट इज़ पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, और ऐसा जो कि हम लोग डायरेक्ट लिख देते थे, पॉजिटिव ही आना चाहिए मॉड का वैल्यू. यस. करेक्ट. Okay, so now let me talk about what is mod of 0. mod of 0 0 आएगा ना? yes. mod of x कभी 0 हो सकता है क्या? unless and until if your x is 0. that is, if I say my x is non-zero, then mod of x will never be 0. It will be always a positive number. Do you agree? Correct. Good. Can you prove this now? Can you prove this quickly? Start with non-zero मतलब क्या? Two condition. Case 1, case 2. What is case 1? Either x is positive. Case 2, either x is negative. Correct? Do you understand? नॉन ज़ीरो मतलब क्या? सिंस रियल लाइन को मैंने 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है, एक पॉजिटिव रियल्स, नेगेटिव रियल्स एंड ज़ीरो. अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ ज़ीरो नहीं है, मतलब क्या हो सकता है? इधर ये और ये. सो केस 1 इज आइदर एक्स इज पॉजिटिव, केस 2 इज एक्स इज नेगेटिव. सो इफ योर एक्स इज पॉजिटिव देन मॉड ऑफ एक्स क्या आएगा? एक्स आएगा. करेक्ट? दैट इज अ पॉजिटिव नंबर. करेक्ट? if your x is negative then what is your mod x? That is minus x. yes. if your x is negative then minus x क्या रहेगा? that will be positive. that means again mod x is positive. so in both the cases you are having your mod x as positive number. see हम लोग कुछ भी हवे में बात नहीं कर रहे, we are giving proof of everything. कितना भी ट्रिवियल क्यों ना हो वो. Yes. So in general, can I say for any x belong to R, mod x is greater than equal to 0? Can I say this? Yes. When this mod x will be 0, only if your x is 0, otherwise not. Correct? Yes. Now let us do some properties of mod, जो भी बहुत किया होगा तुम लोगों ने किसमें, लीनियर इनइक्वेशन चैप्टर में. लेट मी सी, कलर बहुत है अपने पास. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट को मैं एवीएस बोलूँगा, चलेगा? एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ अ रियल नंबर. ठीक है. Properties of absolute value. First thing, uh, let me write the property, list out the property, then we will prove one by one. Is that okay? Let x comma y belong to real number. Then first property is this: mod of x is same as maximum of x comma minus x. Okay. Second property, mod of x is same as mod of minus x. Third property, mod of x square is same as x square. Fourth property, mod of xy, that is same as mod x into mod y. Okay. And fifth one, mod of x plus y, that is less than equal to mod x plus mod y. Okay. And the last है sixth one, that is mod of mod x minus mod y, that is less than equal to mod x minus y. Okay. Is that clear? Okay. Do you see first property trivial है proof करना? Give me any number. 2 लिया, so 2 is actually maximum of 2n minus 2. मैक्सिमम क्या आएगा? 2, मतलब मॉड का वैल्यू भी 2 ही आता है. इफ आई टेक माइनस हियर, नेगेटिव नंबर देन, सी बेसिकली जितने भी क्वेश्चन आएंगे ना, वी हैव टू ब्रेक इट इन द केसेस. अगर एक्स वाई हो साथ में हो तो एक्स और वाई पे केसेस लेना पड़ेगा, अगर सिर्फ एक्स पे हो तो ये. लेट अस ट्राई टू प्रूव द फर्स्ट वन. इज दैट ओके? लेट अस स्टार्ट. प्रूफ लिखते हैं अभी. क्या प्रूफ करना है अपने को? यू नीड टू प्रूव मॉड एक्स इज मैक्सिमम ऑफ x comma minus x. Okay, what should I start with? Let x belong to real number. What do you know about if x belong to real number? It has three cases: either x equal to 0, or x is equal to x is positive, or x is negative. Do you agree? Do you agree, everyone? What is this law? Law of, do you remember the name? Trichotomy. Correct? Either x equal to 0, or x is positive, or x is negative. X is negative, can I write, let me just reframe it. Either x is 0, or x belong to real plus, or minus x belong to real plus. Can I say this? Yes. Okay, let us take all the cases. First case में लेते हैं case 1. If your x is 0, then what is your mod x? 0. And what is your maximum of x comma minus x? That is actually maximum of 0 comma 0, that is again 0. So do you agree दोनों सेम है? Mod x is same as maximum of x कॉमा माइनस एक्स. फर्स्ट केस इज ट्रू. फर्स्ट केस में प्रूफ कर लिया हम लोगों ने. व्हाट इज केस टू? Let us take x is a positive number, then maybe I should write x belong to R plus. Then what is your mod x? Positive number na? Which category? First category or second category? In the definition of mod, first one. So answer is x. Do you agree? And what is this maximum of x comma minus x? You already know if your x is real plus, that is positive real number, then what is your minus x? That is negative. So maximum value क्या रहेगा? x रहेगा. Do you see? So result is true in this case also. What is case 3? If your minus x belong to real number, then real plus, then same. Mod x क्या आएगा कौन सी कैटेगरी में? ये माइनस एक्स बिलोंग टू रियल नंबर मतलब क्या? दैट इज योर एक्स बिलोंग टू आर माइनस. दैट इज विच कैटेगरी? सेकेंड. सो आंसर क्या आता है उसमें? माइनस एक्स आता है. एंड व्हाट इज दिस मैक्सिमम? मैक्सिमम ऑफ एक्स कॉमा माइनस एक्स. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? माइनस एक्स इज बिलोंग टू रियल प्लस एंड एक्स बिलोंग टू रियल माइनस. सो बड़ा कौन है? डेफिनेटली माइनस एक्स. डू यू एग्री? Perfect. So we are done. So in all the cases we have to, so ये सब की कोई भी question आए, you have to deal with cases, case 1, case 2, case 3, like that. Is that okay? Yes. Hmm. This was the first proof, no? What is the second one? What I have to prove in the second case? Okay. How can I prove that? Can I use the previous theorem? What is mod x? That is maximum of x comma minus x. In the previous theorem, correct? So what will be my mod minus x? That will be maximum of minus x comma minus of minus x. Do you see? Correct? So what will be this? This is same as maximum of minus x comma x, but this is a set, so I can write it as maximum of x comma minus x. Ordering is not important in a set because it is collection of element, कैसा भी रखा चलेगा. But this guy is same as mod x. Do you agree? Yes. Okay, good. What is the third one? क्या प्रूफ करना है? Mod of x the whole square is equal to x square, I think. Yes. So here also three cases. Case 1, बोलो. If your x equal to 0, then you see true है क्या? दोनों 0 आएगा. Do you agree? Do you agree? In case 2, if I take x is a positive number, then what is mod x? X positive मतलब first category. Mod x is x. Mod x का square क्या आएगा? That is x square. Here also we are done. Perfect. What is case 3? If your x is negative number, then what is your mod x? That is minus x. What is square of this? Mod x square is minus x ka square, that is equal to x square. From here also you are done. Do you see? In all the cases we prove this. Correct? Okay. What next? What is the fifth one? Most important property. कलर ही चेंज करता हूँ मैं. What is the fifth one? Fourth. हाँ, sorry, fourth. Yes, yes, fourth one. What is the fourth one? Mod of xy. Okay. So what do you think? How many cases will be there? We are having x comma y belong to R plus. That is our real number. What do you think? How many cases will be there? Let me list out all the cases, okay? Case 1. If your x is 0, y is non-zero. Correct? Case 2. If your x is non-zero, y is 0. Correct? So I'm just listing all the cases. Case 3. If x is non-zero and y is non-zero. बट इसमें सब केसेस आएंगे. कैसे सब केसेस समझ रहे हो तुम लोग को? नॉन जीरो मतलब क्या होता है? आइदर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, मतलब 4 लोग इधर भी आएंगे. डू यू सी? हेलो. पहले ये इसमें बोलो. इसमें लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या आएगा? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज मॉड एक्स वाई. क्या आएगा? एक टर्म जीरो है तो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी जीरो. एंड राइट हैंड साइड, दैट इज अगेन गोइंग टू बी जीरो. डू यू एग्री? मल्टीप्लीकेशन है ना. कोई भी एक जीरो हुआ तो दैट इज जीरो. सेम हियर ऑल्सो. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जीरो, राइट हैंड साइड जीरो. डू यू एग्री? ओके. नाउ अभी इसमें केस बनाते. इसके अंदर केस ए आएगा. ए बी सी बोलूँ चलेगा. हाँ, केस ए. व्हाट इज योर केस ए? एक्स नॉन जीरो को मैं चेंज करता हूँ. क्या चेंज करूँ? 4 केसेस बनेंगे. बताओ क्या क्या बनेगा. लेट मी जस्ट लिस्ट आउट, फिर हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे. केस बी, केस सी, केस डी. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट केस? एक्स इज पॉजिटिव, वाई इज पॉजिटिव. केस बी, एक्स इज पॉजिटिव, वाई इज नेगेटिव. केस सी, x is negative, y is positive. Case D, x is negative, y is negative. Do you agree? We have covered all the cases. पहले हम लोग ने जीरो लिया. इधर ये जीरो हो या वो जीरो हो, दैट इज क्वाइट इजी. सी अभी ये मत पूछना कि सर इसमें नॉन जीरो है तो इसमें दो केस क्यों नहीं लिया. y पॉजिटिव, y नेगेटिव, कुछ फर्क पड़ता है क्या? ये टर्म जीरो है तो कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा क्या? इधर y इज नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव. यस. सो शैल वी स्टार्ट नाउ? केस 1, केस 2. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड कितने केस आएंगे? So let me start with first case. Proof is quite simple. That color is not good here. This one is okay. Yeah, what is case 1? You are taking both the term positive. X is positive, Y is positive. Correct? What you have to prove? To prove mod of xy, this is same as mod x mod y. This is what you have. Oh sorry. This is what you have to prove. Correct? So if your x is positive and y is positive, what do you think about your xy? Perfect. So if x is positive, that means mod x is equal to x. If your y is positive, that means mod y equal to y. And both are positive, that means what? Xy is also positive, that means mod of xy is equal to xy. Do you agree? So your left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is mod of xy is same as xy. But x is same as mod x into mod y. Done. We are done in case 1. Correct? Can you similarly try case 2? What is case 2? क्या लिखा है मैंने? हाँ, x पॉजिटिव, y नेगेटिव. इफ योर x इज पॉजिटिव एंड y इज नेगेटिव, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट मल्टीप्लिकेशन? क्या रहेगा दोनों का? सेम. लेट मी राइट टू प्रूव. परफेक्ट. एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू mod x mod y. So let me start. If x is positive, what about mod x? That is x. If x is negative, what ab sorry, x nahi, y na? If your y is negative, what about mod y? That is minus y. Do you agree? Oh, that is minus y. By the definition, I'm asking. Correct? And what about xy? That is negative. So what will be mod xy? That will be minus xy. Do you agree? Yes. So now start with this. Mod of xy, that is equal to minus of xy. Can I write this as x into minus y? But what is your x? X is same as mod x. And what is your minus y? That is same as mod y. We are done. Did you see? Perfect. Now can you do the case? I sorry, A B C D बोल रहा था ना मैं इनको. A B. Can you see case B and case C and case D similarly? Yeah, good. I I leave it to you. Case C क्या है? Case C क्या था? X negative, Y positive, and case D negative negative. Yes, yes, good. Oh, what is the next theorem? We have to. ये कौन सा था? Fourth हो गया ना? Fifth क्या था? Mod of x plus y that is less than equal to mod x plus. Okay, I think we don't have that much time to start that theorem. I'll just give you a hint. Mod of x plus y that is less than mod x plus mod y. This is what you have to prove. Correct? Yeah. So start with this. Mod of x plus y the whole square. From the theorem 2, you know this is same as x plus y the whole square. Do you agree? Do you agree, everyone? Yes. So what is the expansion? X square plus 2xy plus y square. Correct? Yes. What next? Can I write this x square as mod x the whole square and 2xy as it is, and this is mod y the whole square? Can I do that? Okay. And you also know that a is always less than mod a. Do you agree? Any number is always less than mod of a. Perfect. Can I use it here? Can I say this term is less than equal to mod of x square plus 2 times mod of xy plus mod of y square? Can I write like this? Yes? Hello? See, mod x square को मैंने वैसे रखा, mod y square को ऐसे रखा. You already know that xy is less than mod of xy. That is what I told you. A is always less than mod a. So a की जगह पे मैंने xy रखा actually. That is xy is less than equal to mod of xy. Do you agree? Okay. Now this was the hint. इसके आगे का तुम try करो. I'm not having. Actually, I'm having lecture of SYBC, so I cannot take much. So try this homework. We'll see in the next lecture and we'll prove the next part. I think इसके बाद भी है ना एक sixth भी है ना. We'll prove that also. Okay. But the thing is that I give you an exercise. Try to prove that. Similarly, जैसे हम लोगों ने proof किया, just go through with the proof everything. You will see. This is quite easy. Okay.